Hello everyone, welcome back today. So my last Scratch tutorial was how to make a pausing script in Scratch. I recommend you check that out. Um, so this Scratch tutorial today will be how to make advanced rain effects in your games if you ever want to put some rain. So let's get started. So first you'll need rain. So like your raindrop like this. And then you need a splash. So this and then a second splash, which would be this. And then I just put this here, which is like a duplicate of rain 1, except it's flipped around. So to start, you will put on green flag click. This can also be a broadcast. Set ghost effect 25%. Wait 0.3 seconds, and then I have rain and thunder. So I will put that in the description below. And put this into forever loop. Then when green flag clicks, this can also be a broadcast. Hide. Switch costume to rain number 1 and forever point direction -90 and go to pick random -190 to 240 and Y by 175. Then create a clone of yourself. And when you start as a clone, set size to pick random 150 to 250, then switch costume to rain 1, point direction -165, and repeat until touching collision, which is this. It's just a collision theme so that your rain collides with the thing. Move 10 steps, and then after that, move -6 steps. Point in direction 0, switch costume to rain 2, wait 0.1 seconds, switch costume to rain 3, wait 0.2 seconds, and delete this clone. In collision, we'll just put when green flag click. This can also be a broadcast. Switch costume to collision 1, and set ghost effect to 100. After this, you need the object is just like scene. Like if we hit this, it would still collide with this collision. So yeah, but the object thing is just for scenery. So this is just the script I put. So it's actually pretty easy. So I hope you like this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.